Hello guys, today we are reacting to Monstriana Trench. By the way, all credits to Slimer. The video will be in the description. I don't usually make these type of videos, but I am today. Let's get into the video. Already cool sounding. Why does Frog look like that? Sound like a ocean kinder. Wow. Yes, Toe Jammer. I like the sound the fishbowl is making. The clam kinda sounds like Dermot. Ooh, I like that. Look at Frog Look at the bowl again. Wow. What a cool song. My favorite has to be Fangler. He sound cool. Again, this isn't mine. All credit to Slimer, not me. Well, at the end, bye.